Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to be microwaving Play-Doh. Actually, it's this cheap dollar store stuff that apparently was imported from France, or more likely, Quebec. Okay, here we are. There's a Play-Doh, and I don't think I introduced you to our new microwave, Erika. Look, she has a top vent. She's a real beauty, isn't she? She's Daewoo brand. I figure Daewoo parts, a regular fan of my show, would get a kick out of the fact I'm using a Daewoo microwave. In addition to the jars of Play-Doh, the full jars, I'm going to also include a nice little Play-Doh pizza. Add some nice veggies to it. And this is why I never went into art. This is why I went into microwaving instead. Okay, I figure 5 minutes should be enough. Well, that sound indicates my Play-Doh is done, and that's actually a fairly pleasant smell. Look inside. And as you can see, the caps popped off of the sealed ones, and the Play-Doh creation looks like it's done as far as being cooked. Now, let's take out the Play-Doh creation with the precision spatula, which is bound to be replaced after this episode. So as far as whether or not this is a good idea to do, even though all around I would say the Play-Doh pizza or microwaving your own Play-Doh creation, good idea, jars, bad idea, but we haven't had a lot of good ideas lately. There's been a severe drought of good ideas on this show, so I'm just going to say that because most people who microwave Play-Doh aren't going to do it in the jar, they're just going to microwave their Play-Doh creations. I'm going to have to say good idea. In addition to being safe, microwaving your Play-Doh creation is a good idea to preserve it if for some reason you want to. So I definitely recommend putting your Play-Doh creation on the paper plate and microwaving it for a couple minutes, but just leave the other jars out of the microwave.